Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jen from the Clayton Candle Company. If you're new here, I make videos all about candle making, so consider subscribing to my channel so you never miss a video. In my previous video, which you can see right here, we talked about candle wax and how to choose a wax for your candles. Today, we're going to talk about choosing a container. After choosing your wax, your next step is going to be choosing a container if you haven't already done so. This is because the step after this is choosing a wick, and your wick size will be determined on the size of your container. Now for me, this was fairly quick and easy because I knew I wanted to use soy wax and these tin containers. Now I do realize that there are a lot of different containers out there, but for me in particular, as a beginner, I just wanted to master my skill in learning how to use one container before complicating things. Choosing a container is a very important step in the candle making process. Search candle suppliers and take a look at the containers that they offer. Take your time with this process. In my opinion, a candle is just as much decor as it is something that smells good when you burn it. If you're thinking about turning your hobby into a business, your container is going to represent your brand, and it's going to be a main factor in how much you can charge for your product. Another factor to consider, especially if you've chosen soy wax like I have, is if your container is clear. A clear container will bring more challenges to your candle making. I also want to mention that I see a lot of people get really creative in the containers that they choose. So you're not limited to the containers that are on candle supplier websites. But I do want to mention that you want to make sure that the container that you choose is safe for candle burning. And I can't stress this enough. Make sure that it's safe for candle burning. The last thing you want is for your candle to catch on fire and burn someone's house down. With that being said, have fun choosing your container. This should be an enjoyable experience of the process. Remember, I do suggest choosing one container as a beginner, but you're not limited to just using that one container throughout your whole journey. There are many different suppliers that you can shop from when choosing your containers. I bought my first containers from Candle Science, and I will link their website down in the description. Alright, so that about wraps it up on this video on choosing a container. If you like this video, be sure to hit the like button so that YouTube shares this with other people. If you have any questions about candle making or choosing a container, drop a comment down below as I respond to all of my comments. Thank you so much for watching, happy shopping, and I will see you on the next video. Hey, did you want to learn about making candles in your kitchen? Check out this video right here. And for a step-by-step tutorial, check out this playlist right here. And don't forget, subscribe to my channel.